Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Hi, thank you so much for your inquiry on our Skoda Superb Sport line, registration KN20 RBZ. Here is the front of the vehicle. Here we have the side of the vehicle. Moon white metallic, sport line badging, black mirror caps, along with beautiful black alloy wheels. Here we have the rear, again with all the black badging, black boot lip, and beautiful tailpipes. Vehicle has an enormous boot, perfect space for all occasions. Also has automatic tailgate for opening and closing convenience. We now move our way through to the rear of the vehicle. Micro suede partial leather upholstery, nice white stitching to finish it off, loads of legroom as you can see, along with heated display on the rear. We now have the front of the vehicle. Nice sport design seat, again with the micro suede partial leather upholstery, flattened bottom steering, digital instrument cluster, satellite navigation, front heated seats, If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to get in contact with us. Our contact number is 0208 686 8844.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.